and it's a very strange day because it just turned from rain, and within 10 minutes it started to snow heavily. So you can see lots and lots of snow just outside Jameson's barber shop, and also down Hayes Lane, Timperley. Unusual, what you say? So I'm not just talking about the front here, I'm talking about the whole of this area as it's full of snow. I'll try and sort of capture, there you go, you can just see now the heaviness of the snow. See that? Lots of snow. So I thought I'd just nip out for a second and take in some of this unexpected weather, I suppose. I'm not sure that we were told that it was going to drop lots of snowballs on us. So here I am. Got Nisa to my left, which is very nice. Still open, closes at 10 I think. And you've got Timperley Stove and Fuel Centre just to the left of me. And okay, the whole place is full of snow. Yeah. Well, what is surprising in today's day and age? Not much. 2021. Still here. Still breathing. And it's just absolutely chucking it down with snow. I don't know. I like a bit of snow. I don't like too much snow. I don't know about everyone else, but yeah. So anyway, this is where I'm at. That's my shop, which has been closed for the last couple of weeks. And there's my car full of snowdrops. Right, well, I'm glad I got this video because it's not often you get just like freak snowstorms just like hit you straight away. But I know there's been some heavy warnings put out there, especially with floods and stuff today. Right, I'll be and leave you. Ciao for now. 2021, Jameson's barbershop, and it's late.